Look at mommy. Say, who's Rick in the bathtub? Bathtub. Yeah. Are you ready to get in the bathtub? Because you have spaghetti sauce all over you. Is Morgan dirty?
No.
No. No. You don't want to get in the bathtub? Bathtub. Bathtub. Yeah. Say arr. Arr. What is that, Becca?
It's a blueberry.
What is that, Morgan? Yeah. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Morgan.
Bye-bye, Morgan.
No, Morgan. Morgan, say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.